Hello, welcome back in this tutorial series of Fusion 360 again. Today we'll create such kind of component with the help of various commands available in Fusion 360. To create such kind of component, first we will create these circles of 16 mm diameter, 36 mm diameter and 46 diameter. So here I'm closing this window and go to Fusion 360 interface. So first go to create sketch, select the plane, select the circle command, create a 16 mm diameter circle. After this again we'll select the circle command, we'll create a 46 mm diameter circle. One more circle we will create, that is of 36 mm. After creating all these circles we will finish the sketch. As per the drawing, now we have to extrude this particular circle up to a height of 40 mm, that is of 36 mm. So here I am closing again this window and go to this extrude command, select this one and we extrude it up to 40 mm, then press enter. After this, from here we'll again select this sketch one. From here we'll select this extrude command, we extrude it up to 10 mm as we can see in this image. After this we will extrude it again at an offset of, from here we'll select this 20 mm and from here we'll select this 10 mm and press enter. Now you can see we have created such kind of object. Now from the figure we can see we have to provide a taper of 5. So from here we'll select this chamfer command, select this one and provide a chamfer of 5. Okay, again we will select this chamfer command, select this one and provide a chamfer of 5 mm and press OK. So as you can see we have already provided the chamfer to these particular ones. Now we will provide this appearance in different color to this particular object. So here I am selecting this appearance command, here from here we will select this face and provide here yellow, and at this we will provide is red, and here we will provide similarly we will provide here yellow and here red. Now the next what we have to do, we have to create this particular one, that is a diameter of 2 mm and at a pitch circle diameter of 41 mm. So just what we have to do, and go to this create sketch. From here we'll select this one. From this display setting what we have to do, just we will select this wireframe so that the edges can be visible. Now we'll select this circle command and from here we'll choose this construct and create a circle of 41 mm and press enter. After this we will select again a circle, then we will draw a 2 mm diameter circle and press enter. Again from display setting we will choose this shaded with visible and go to home position. From here we can see. Now finish the sketch, go to extrude command, select this one and from here we'll select this two object and select this one, press OK. So as you can see we have created such kind of object. After this, what we have to do, just simply select this appearance command again, and from here we will select this face and we will provide this to yellow color to this particular feature. Now close it. From here we will select this axis through cylinder or cone. Select this cylinder and press OK. Now from here we'll select this pattern command, select this circular pattern and select this feature, and the axis is this one. And as we can see in this particular image, we don't have the number of these features, so here I am providing only 30 numbers so that we can consider it. So as you can see, we have created almost the same object what we have seen in this particular image with the help of various commands available in Fusion 360. Thank you for watching my videos. Kindly subscribe my channel.